It's Teresa. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to show you another really easy, delicious recipe. All right, so I made a beautiful salad with your favorite vegetables and of course some Vidalia onion, whatever onion you like. If you like onion, I like sweet onion. Red onion's good, green onion. And I just added some beautiful blueberries and raspberries. I love lots of color in my salad. And I buy these chicken skewers. They're grilled and they're already cooked at Costco. And I've just cut them up and I'm going to add them to my salad. All right, so we're just going to add that. Really easy for lots of protein. And I've taken the raspberry delicious sugar-free syrup, a tablespoon, with your favorite balsamic vinegar. And I'm just going to add that, a tablespoon each. You get quite a bit to my salad. You don't need any oil. If you want extra, you can add extra for 0 smart points. You get this beautiful salad. Lots of great veggies, fruit, high protein. Okay, so this is it. For 0 smart points, you can have a delicious meal. All right, and for brunch, for lunch, for dinner. And if you want, you can add some toast or a low-carb bagel or muffin with it.